happen in the next couple hours. One would probably happen tomorrow, just looking at how far back it is. And if you're a bull, this is very exciting to you. If you're a bull, this is your potential opportunity, right? This green zone means up, doesn't it? So what do you look for when I say, find support and look for an opportunity to get in? What does that actually mean? Well, if it's making a series of lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs, is that the opportunity to go long? Probably not. But what if it makes a higher high relative to this high? Is that potentially something of importance? Yeah, and if it is, then what you should probably look for is something like this. Okay, or this is fine. Retest this and then long. Okay, but what you're going to do is probably fib that move. Okay, or you could fib this move, depending on whatever. I mean, you can do whatever you want, right? And if it came this far down, which I'd hope not, that might be important. But I'm really looking at sort of these areas here. And then you got to look at this one here. Okay? And you simply say, doot, 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 shields up, red alert, buy the dip. Commander Wolf! Yes, Captain. Buy on dips! Aye, aye, Captain. Wayne, you teach not to enter at a... No. Yeah, well, yeah, you got to be careful. You can't be binary in that thought process, right? It's not there to be an entry. Agreed. It's there as a target. But we're there now. So you cannot sell. So there's a binary decision. Can you sell here? No, totally impossible. Not going to happen. Never in a million years. Right? Great. But you could, if you want, if you're a bull and you're waiting to buy and you get a reversal pattern at a pivot profit zone, then yes, you can consider doing it. Okay? But by definition, since we hit our target, it's counter trend, right? Okay? So, so do I teach that you cannot do it? No. It's just someone else somewhere someday, I can't remember, maybe it was you and maybe it was last week, but someone's like, oh yeah, well, this means sell. No, it doesn't mean sell. The green zone's a target for bears, which means it's support. But if it's support, then a bull could consider buying it. But it's counter trend if we're heading down, hitting bearish targets. Okay. Centripetal, yes. Okay, so cool. So just make decisions, that's all. If you know it's a counter trend trade, there's some risks associated with it, right? What day of the week is it? Tuesday. So if you hit your weekly target on Tuesday,